All right, let's take off from Death Valley Junction and keep on with the adventure. All right, I'm gonna go left here.
Take the next left onto California 190 West.
Got it. How about that?
Continue on California 190 West for 38 miles.
That road, huh? We've upped the speed limit now to 65. Right in line with DanoLive and the old Dano van. We're at a dispensary. There we go. Seatbelt on. Elevation 3,000 feet. California 190 and 23 miles on Dipsy roads. We got a lot of green coloring out here. It's a scenic road. On the road with Dano. Pay a fee up here. But if this is a national park, I gotta pass. I wonder when you drive these roads or ride on them with Dano, how long did it take to put this road in? It's not just this road, it's any road you travel on. The majestic views. Wow. California desert now. Look at that, huh? kilometers of highway. Highway 190, California. All right, we're getting closer to our destination. We're now entering Death Valley National Park, homeland of the Timbisha Shoshone. And the Dano Van's gonna conquer it. Beautiful California morning. Every sight is a picture waiting to be snapped. Just up the road a piece over the hill, out on the right side, there's about 6 RVs practicing social distancing. They were probably about 2/10 of a mile apart each. But there you have it. There is your 360 degrees entrance to Death Valley National Park. Yours truly, DanoLive, DanoVision. Alright, just leaving the entrance sign. We'll roll down in through this 40-mile-an-hour corner. About 21 miles outside the center of Death Valley. Reattach your seatbelts, pull the straps, make sure you're all tightened in. So we got another 20 miles of road that goes dips and doos. Furnace Creek 13, Stovepipe Wells 37, Lone Pine 120. Could go on a Northern California trek, but we're gonna head back to Frump at the end of the day. Pay a fee. It's a national park. I got a national park pass. Information. Let's probably pull in and check it out. Clarify I'm good to go with my pass. I'm sure nobody is manning the fort here. A few cars that passed me had pulled in here. Look at that. DanoLive. Just passed a couple of bicyclists going the other way. Either they're a long way from home or they left the car down the road here. Still on California 190. Headed into the heart of Death Valley. About 20 miles out. Rolling along at 65 miles an hour. Dano van is smooth as silk. Thank you to my vehicle sponsor and to Willie, who makes sure the vehicle is running in tip-top shape. That's Willie's Automotive Service in Huntington Beach. If you're within Huntington Beach, I recommend you go see Willie. Take care of your hot rod, your daily driver. You're in good hands with the Willie man. There's different colors on the rock, the mountains. Fiat, with a flat tire, ouch. Middle of nowhere. Up on a jack. Scissor jack, that is. Fix it again, Tony. Look at this, huh? Beautiful. You're seeing it. You got a guy trailing his home right there. It's almost time to turn on the air conditioning. As we descend into the basin of Death Valley, getting a little warmer. Another Fiat. Smooth California highway. What other better thing could you possibly be doing than to riding along with Dano? I aim to take you places. Subaru. Ah, that belongs to those bicyclists. How about a bike rack? Let's see, let's load up the bikes. Let's ride out to the outskirts of Death Valley. Let's put on our neon safety vests and let's just pedal until we get tired and turn around. Sounds like something fun to do on a Saturday. Gorgeous, huh? Man, these views and the eyeball sockets are at elevation 1,000 feet. We're dropping. Just so beautiful. All these years I've lived out on the west, I've never gone through Death Valley. So like you, it may be your first time too. If that's the case, we're popping our cherries at the same time. What do we got here? 20 Mule Team Canyon. I think we're going to save some of these for the return trip out. Well, that's a hike in, actually. It's not really a road. Just absolutely beautiful. Majestic Drive. And Furnace Creek Visitor Center, 2 miles. Let's see what this is over here. Probably not open. The Inn at Death Valley. How cool is that? Closed.